Navigating waves, understanding fluctuations in global container shipping rates. For professionals in the global supply chain, stability often seems like a fleeting concept, especially regarding container shipping rates. Despite the expectation of consistency, these rates are subject to frequent and sometimes drastic fluctuations. This variability can be attributed to many factors that either drive the rates up or pull them down. This post will delve into the reasons behind these changes, offering insights into why shipping costs rarely stay static. Decoding the dynamics, what drives fluctuations in container shipping rates? The ever-changing landscape of container shipping rates is a fundamental concern for professionals in the global supply chain. Rates can escalate unexpectedly due to many factors affecting the planning and execution of international trade. As I have studied this more and more, I understand it better and realize what a balancing act the managers of a shipping company must perform between risks, liabilities, and profits, supply and demand dynamics. At its core, the container shipping industry operates on the principles of supply and demand. When available containers and shipping capacity are scarce, rates naturally rise as shippers compete for limited resources. Conversely, rates tend to decrease when there is an oversupply of capacity and a dip in demand. Several factors influence this balance, including contractual agreements between shipping companies and major retailers. Large retailers often have fixed contracts, guaranteeing the shipper a particular volume of shipments at predetermined rates, which can squeeze availability for smaller importers, especially during peak demand periods. Global events and shipping disruptions. External events such as geopolitical conflicts or targeted attacks on shipping infrastructure can cause significant disruptions. The ongoing conflicts in places like the Middle East and Ukraine have profound implications for global shipping lanes, affecting regional and global shipping operations. Operational challenges. Operational issues also play a critical role in shaping shipping rates. The logistical nightmare of adjusting sailing schedules, fleet management, and dealing with port congestion directly impacts shipping efficiency. Liability and risk management. Liability concerns are another factor influencing shipping rates. Transporting goods across international waters carries inherent risks, including cargo loss, piracy, and accidents. Environmental regulations. New environmental regulations also contribute to rising costs. As international bodies and governments implement stricter emissions standards, shipping companies are compelled to invest in cleaner, more efficient technologies or fuels, which can be expensive. These costs are often passed down the supply chain, manifesting as higher freight rates. I do not like it more than anyone else when shipping rates suddenly increase and your container and import costs increase. However, examining these critical factors reveals that a complex web of global dynamics influences container shipping rates. If you are interested in seeing how Mondoro can help you with your supply chain, we would love to talk to you about how we can help you and be part of your global supply chain.